Hi everybody, Sanbonani. Welcome to my channel. Guys, Sunday. Did Moja Love not waste our 30 minutes? Moja Love was Moshelu 30 minutes. Utwenza. Was that a reunion or what the hell was that? So Moja Love did the show that I thought, and I guess some other people thought was supposed to be a reunion of Isencane Lengane. And then it turned out that it was just some PR episode, Moja Love. It wasn't about what we thought it was about. It wasn't the reunion one. It wasn't about caring about what's happening with Uthando Nosacela too. It wasn't about caring what's happening with the Dlamuka family. It was about Moja Love, basically. They wanted to make sure that people understand that Moja Love is doing the right thing. They wanted to tick the box, basically. I'm like, what the hell was that? Okay. Here's the thing, you guys. In South Africa, there's this thing that if a man is doing something wrong, like if a man is doing something wrong in South Africa, people ask a question of, is he doing something wrong? Is it wrong what he's doing? Is it wrong what you are doing? They even ask a man, is it wrong what you are doing? But if a woman is doing something wrong, it's wrong. How can you do that? How can they will be having panels on TikTok? They will be having panels in the TV shows. They will be discussing what's this woman in the nipples on national TV. Now, it's not. That's how they approach in Kinga when a woman is doing something wrong in South Africa. But when a man is doing something wrong, they're like, is it wrong? Did you approach it the right way? Do you think it's wrong what you are doing? Exactly. Even the Mark G situation, that's why Mark G situation, I'm like, I'm not even going to talk about it. Because now everybody is acting like it's the first time that Mark G is saying something like this. Like everybody's like, oh, Haibo. Mark G has always said things like this, and everybody will be like, is it wrong what Mark G said? Is it wrong what Mark G said? Now it's like, how can Mark G say? I'm like, how? Mark G has been saying things like this for how long now? So even with the whole thing, Siyacela, Nimrod is sitting there asking Siyacela, do you think you abuse women? That thing, we should have had South African men sitting there. We should not even have had Umagatando there at all. Ne? That Nonzogazi woman from Moja Love should not have been there. That lady from Women's whatever should not have been there, because all she was concerned about was that they should have had a hotline. What is a hotline going to help Uthando in the episode? They should have had a hotline for people to know who should they call if they're in the situation. I'm like, she should have been there. They should have had men there sitting in the panel lapha on the show. Yabon. They should have had men there. And then they should have had Siyacela there. They should have had men there. They were going to say, listen, uyabona-ke namhlanje uyagcina nci ukabuse a woman. That's the approach that they should have taken. If it wasn't going to be a reunion, if it was to correct behavior, they should have had men, South African men, sitting there saying, this is what you are doing wrong and it is not acceptable and we are not going to accept it. It is the last time we are watching you on TV behave like that. It is the last time we see you do that. Treat these women like that. These are your mothers. This is your wife. It is the last time we see you do something. That should have been an approach. Nimrod himself should have told us, we do not behave like that. And as men, we are not going to stand it. But every time a man does something wrong, we're like, hey, ubu wrong, vel. Umshayile. Kurong ukuthi awusho ngempela. Kurong ukuthi umshaya nkosikazi wakho. Kurong ukuthi uphathe imvubu. Is it wrong to carry a jambok? Guys, There is no other purpose that Imvubu is created for. That's why they carry it at the taxi rank. There is no other purpose that Imvubu is created for. It is eyokushaya Imvubu, eyokushaya Imvubu. There's no Imvubu doesn't serve any other purpose. Imvubu massage. Imvubu is not to kill a chicken so that inzodle ekhaya. Imvubu akuyona lokho. Imvubu is not ukuthi iyotshala laphayana emasimini bese imvubu eyokushaya umuntu. It's not even eyokushaya imbuzi. Imvubu imbuzi nenkomo eshawa ngeswebhu. Iswebhu is a different thing. Imvubu eyokushaya and imvubu eyokushaya umuntu. Do you understand ukuthi imvubu eyokushaya umuntu? Iswebhu is a different thing. Esithathisake ishaya inkomo mawulusa inkomo. Imvubu eyokushaya. It's for the purpose vele yokushaya a person. So you can't ukuthi umuntu mayephethe imvubu bese uthi uyaphi nemvubu. Uyaphi yomassage abantu. Like, are you going to cut people's hair? You know? Like, I'm like, hi guys. I was like, I'm not alive. And then Nonzokazi was like, no, but we are here to learn. I'm like, after 8 seasons of doing this thing, you are here to learn. When I wish that she could have been honest and said, guys, but remember, we are a TV station, and after everything else, we have to make money. So we can't just cut the show because you guys are saying we must cut the show. I think I really would have respected that more. For her to just mention was at the end of the day, as much as love, we do have to make money. Because at the end of the day, they do have to make money. But we will take what people are pointing out, that they feel that we are not doing this right. Yes, we will, take that to note. But at the end of the day, we are in the business, and we are in the business of making money, Instead of just making it seem like they did everything, that they're doing everything that they can. Because even that whole thing, did they not waste our time? Us thinking we are coming there, Usacela will finally be held accountable. What the hell was... Guys, if you did not watch, congratulations to you. Whatever I did in that 2 minutes, if you were cutting your nails in that 2 minutes, it was worth it. Okay. If you were watching the wall, if you just stood and watched the white wall, it was good. Good for you. Congratulations to you that you watched the wall instead of watching that show. Because did they not just play with us? Did they not just waste our time? If you stood and watched the fan going like this, that whole 30 minutes you just did that, watch the fan, congratulations to you. Because it was a waste of our time, Siyacela needed to be held accountable. In fact, he needed to be threatened even. To be like, listen, if uke sakubona uphethe imvubu again uzobona, we are done as men in South Africa. We are done now. But they were asking him, do you think what you are abusive? What kind of nonsense is that? It's like in one day uzobulala uThando, and then they would come and say, do you think umbulala ufeel uThando? I think one day that's what they will do. Umbulala, do you think it's umbulala? Hi, Umoja Love. PR for them. It had nothing to do with uThando, Thando and Siyacela situation, because I thought finally they're going to address that situation. Or it's not about that, it's a reunion. They're just going to talk about what happened this season. No, it was just a PR episode to address that situation, but more for the channel to be like, let's tick the box. We did the episode and we had a discussion. And more than that, Nonzokazi just looked really irritated by the whole thing. She's like, I'd rather be somewhere else than be here. She looked irritated. She's like, what am I even doing here? What am I even doing here? Okay, guys. Okay, so we're not. It was a little more like that. Like, I'm like sitting there like, yo, ngathi ufose ukuthi wahlala la. Uboss waMoja la was like, uyazi ukuthi ngeke kuye kumina, hamba wena. Yo guys, congratulations to whoever did not watch the episode. You did well for yourself. You made the right decision for yourself, unlike some of us who are still making very, very bad decisions in our lives and are watching this show. Congratulations to you. You know, you did very, very well in cutting your nails, your toenails, instead of watching that show. Good for you.